Alright, so this is example 9. It says something about you're at a river, 200 yards from a river. You walk towards the river this direction, 400 yards away. Find the angle of elevation here, theta. Okay. Well, what I noticed that I have here is I know I have, since this is the right angle, from this angle I know I have the opposite side from the angle given. I also have the hypotenuse. And so I know that the sine of theta is equal to the opposite 200 over the hypotenuse 400. I also know that this would reduce to 200 over 400 reduces to 1/2. And based upon things that you need to memorize, sine of theta being 1/2, well, I know that the sine of 30 degrees is 1/2. So I know that this is 30 degrees. Number 79 here is one you need to try. Press pause, see if you can figure it out. Okay, so part A, this thing says you're on a zip line. Here's the zip line pole. The zip line goes straight to the ground. 50-foot tall pole comes out 50 feet away from the ground. What's the angle of elevation? Well, what I know is, since this is 1 in the ratio of 1 to 1, meaning they're exact same size, this angle of elevation has to be 45 degrees. It says find the length of the zip line, so I'm going to find this length right here. Well, since this is a 45, 45, 90, which is in the 1 to 1, the square root of 2 ratio for the 3 sides, I essentially take the length of this side and multiply it by the square root of 2, so it's 50 square roots of 2. Next thing it wants to know is the down the line rate, so meaning at what speed we're moving down this line right here. It also says it takes 6 seconds to go down the line, so that's important. So it's going to be, if we're going 50 square root of 2 feet divided by 6 seconds, that's the rate. And then of course that's going to simplify to 25 square root of 2 over 3. And that's the down the line rate. The vertical rate would be up and down speed, so that'd be 50 feet over 6 seconds, which is going to reduce to 25 thirds. And that's in feet per second, just like this one should be in feet per second. And that's how you do number 79.